What is going on, everybody in Mass Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Stay tuned. Okay, so Matt Squad, I do want to apologize. The audio quality on this video isn't going to be the best or what is pretty much expected at this point in my channel. I usually record with the Galaxy A71 5G, but I recently traded that phone in order to get this one here. Got a really great deal on it here. So I had to go ahead and take it. They was offering $700 with a trade-in, and the Galaxy A71 was one of those phones that were on that list where you can get the $700 in credit. Here is the phone. I went ahead and got it in gold. My girlfriend, she actually has it in blue. So I've seen the blue all the time. And it was one of those things where I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get a gold one here. If it wasn't going to be the gold, it was going to be the silver. The graphite was pretty much last on my list. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing open. I'm on Verizon, by the way. Of course, you got your plastic. Super thin box. As you guys know, there is no AC adapter in this box. Like literally you could get a USB cable or a lightning cable, and that's pretty much it. So here is the phone itself. There's your lightning cable to USB Type-C dongle or cord. And here is the phone itself, that beautiful side. I already got fingerprints on it. I kind of only want to take the plastic off the back, but pretty much got no choice but to. There it is. And I went ahead and got the regular 12 Pro. I didn't want the Max because I've gotten so accustomed to using my Pixel phone that I actually would prefer a phone that's smaller in size in a hand. Something that's a little bit big, ain't not going to be able to get to the top of the notification panel as much. But here it is. So there is, I believe, your power button, your volume switch there, your volume up and down keys, and lightning cable down there. There's microphone, speaker, along with a speaker on top. So yeah, triple camera setup on the back. As we all know, you get a 12 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide cam that is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second, HDR10, Dolby Ready, Dolby Vision, all that good stuff. 6 gigs of RAM. The version I have is 256 gigabytes of internal storage. I had to get the 256 or the 512 because, you know, I make my videos, and it was more convenient for me to go ahead and pick up an iPhone because the whole process of file transferring and putting it in the cloud and, you know, transferring file from device to device, it would just be a lot easier if I had an iPhone as my daily driver, and I can use it as my vlog cam or my video cam for me to make my YouTube video. So it has made perfect sense to go ahead and grab this here. And on top of that, I got a good deal. So this is 5G enabled, as we all know. This thing is super fingerprint up right now. Just taking it out the box. But let's go ahead and get this thing power on. And by the way, I'm recording this here with my Pixel 5. All right. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and let this thing power up and get some information in here. And I'll be right back, guys. So right now, yeah, I'm pretty much just waiting. It says it's going to take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. I don't have my SIM card in this phone as of yet, but we are getting to that point. I'm going to see if they can let me get past this here, bypass this, and then I'll be back in a few seconds. So, Matt Squad, here we are. We are in this process of installing a backup for my iPad because I was having trouble transferring data from my Android phone to iOS, which sucks, but you know, this is go ahead and make this a whole new experience. As far as taking what I have on iOS and just trying to work with it and install the applications that I do have on Android and basically just, you know, start fresh. Probably transfer some contacts if I can. I believe I can transfer contacts a lot easier than the entire applications that I have on Android. But yeah, for the meantime here, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I will have an updated video for you guys in the near future, letting you know my first impressions of the device and, you know, basically put it to my test. So In the comment section below, let me know, Matt Squad, what type of content do you want to see with the iPhone 12 Pro and any future videos? That would be extremely helpful. If you're new to the channel, consider liking the video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching premium phones like the iPhone 12 Pro. But until then, my name is Max Raw. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Deuces.